Okay, so my Amazon Prime lint catcher thingy arrived. Ta-da! And as I said, they look like daisies. I never worked with this before, but I thought I'd share so that in case you need a lint trap for your machine. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, how cute. They are cute. That I have to give it the cuteness factor. So, I hate that fresh from the bag smell, but it is cute. Well, if this is what's going to do the trick, from my understanding, these float, and you just put it in your wash, the wet wash part. So I just thought I'd share with you, and good. I got myself 4 of these little lint catchers, and assumingly they just put your fingers in there and, clean them out, wipe them out until you wear them out, I guess, is my guess. But this is cute, and this is what it was referring to. So if you're interested, you can check it out. There you go. Have a great day. Oh, P.S. I'll be back on at 2 p.m. today for a Sunday afternoon chat. See you later.